Hi everyone.
Hello, sir.
Okay, today we are going to discuss very important subject, strategy management. Right? So what do you mean by strategy? Any idea?
Plan of action, sir.
Very good. Plan of action. So whatever it is, you are going to plan, then only you are going to execute. Right? That's a strategy. For example, if you take as a marketing product or pen or anything, right? Starting from the toothbrush to luxurious product itself. Everybody they are using some strategy. Because why? Selling the product to the customer. Right? If you see that Thyroka, Vedumani sir, right? Then everybody they are using some strategies. Okay, so Ramraj Khat and Nagarajan sir, right? So everybody they are using some strategy. What is the purpose you need the strategy? To attract the customers, right? That is the strategy. Okay. So next we are going to discuss the important is strategic management process. So what do you mean by strategic management process?
How
to operate?
strategy
Exactly. Environmental scanning. Next strategy formulation, then strategy implementation, then strategy evaluation and control. Right? So what do you mean by the environmental scanning?
sir, analyzing of the environment.
One at a time.
Both internal and external factors.
Very good. Internal and external factors. So we are saying that two terminologies. One is postal and another one is SWOT analysis. Right? So what do you mean by postal? Political, economic,
Social, technological,
and legal and environmental. Right? So these are the things we are going to analyze. That is the postal. SWOT, strength,
weakness,
weakness,
opportunity.
opportunity, right? That is environmental scanning. So you are going to scan that, you are going to monitor both, right? So it depends upon that environmental scanning, you are going to formulate a strategy, right? That is a strategy formulation. So in that formulation, you are going to that, for example, take as an organization, top level, middle level, and low level. Okay, so all the levels of employees join together to achieve a specific objective or specific target, right? That is the strategy formulation. So after you formulate the strategy, you are going to test with the, before the customer, you test with the employee itself, right? So then only you know that what are the difficulties, what are the errors, what are the mistakes you are going to identify in the strategy formulation, right? Next we are going to strategy implementation. It's nothing but testing, right? For example, after you manufacture a car or after you finish the cooking, right? Everything you are going to taste or test it, right? Then only you are going to, after that, going to the customers, right? That is the strategy implementation. Next, evaluation and control. What do you mean evaluation?
Improve using technology.
Exactly. We are going to check it whether it will be right or wrong. Okay. So you can check it everything, all the actions, what from the start planning to execution. So everything you are going to
Check.
monitor, right? That is the strategy evaluation, and also you are going to control because everything it will be in the proper manner. It will be success means. So finally you are going to achieve something. So you can follow the same process, right? Now you clearly understand, right? So strategy and also strategy management process. So if you take the examples, many strategies they are following. Got it? So I already said, right? So what strategy the Thyroka Vedumani they are? Do you know the franchise? What do you mean by franchise?
Yes, sir.
You will get the permission, right? You will get the franchise from the partner. They are going to run the business, right? You get the franchise. So at that time in Mumbai, they are having the various competition related to the Thyroka missiles. Okay. So at that time, he is only the one Indian, right? From Tamilian. He is going to that Mumbai. He started the business, the same Thyroka business, but he don't know, he doesn't know anyone, right? So you will get the franchise, then only they are going to start the business. So at that time they said, what about the franchise? The profit means 75% for you, 25% for me. It was started, right? You know that because every time they got franchise means first profit will be for 75 me and 25 for you, right? But they said opposite. Why means, what is the purpose? Anyone know? Anyone know? Because they believe the customers. Because 24 hours running the machine, Thyroka machine. Because customers are more, the profit will be
More.
high. And also the cost will be low, all the customers will be like that particular product, right? So that strategy they are followed by that factorial interest. Now you can understand about the strategy,
Yes, sir.
right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.